is the thirstiest I've ever been.
Shoo, I am so thirsty.
It's really sparky.
This is gonna be the best pancake ever. Mama, my pancake. It's like a mashed potato.
Move. Let me show you how it's done.
Oops, I made a mess.
Ish. Let me get a kitchen towel. The rest is for next time.
Coco, Mama doesn't want to give me ice cream. Little honey, don't you worry. What my granddaughter wants, my granddaughter gets. Here, ice cream. Best of both. Chocolate and vanilla. Here. Thank you, Coco.